Hello and welcome back. We have another freight train. It's from London Gateway to Tinsley Yard, the 1107 at Mexborough. See, they're not coming fast because it's always on red. It's not changing until they get close. What class is it? Let's have a look. So it's another class 66. I think it's a DB Schenker, what do we call them? It's putting handle down now. It's got double yellow. Get it a bit of thrash. I think that was 66 124. So that's off to Tinsley Yard. Tinsley Yard. See, it's only 40 miles an hour there, so they have to go very slow over at points. Hey, it's getting a bit warm now. It was supposed to be raining today.